Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is House of Dynamite, last US-Russia nuclear pact to expire. We're talking here about New START deal. Alright, New START treaty, and the last nuclear arms control agreement between the US and Russia, called the New START, is about to expire, and that is going to expire today. So if it expires without a replacement, there will be no legal limit on how many nuclear weapons the US and Russia can keep, and that will become dangerous. And that is why it is called a house of dynamite, because both the countries will be the house of dynamites after that. But the background is that what exactly is the New START treaty? It was signed in 2010 and between United States and Russia. The purpose was to limit the number of deployed nuclear weapons, allow inspection so both sides know what the other is doing, and it is the last surviving nuclear arms control treaty. Earlier treaties like INF treaty already collapsed, so New START is the final safety lock. Even though Russia said that they are dissolving the New START treaty into 2023, but it was still till 2026 the treaty was there. But today, on 5th February, the treaty is expiring. Now, the relations between US and Russia are very bad, and we can see that evidently. Ukraine war has worsened, trust talks on extending or replacing the treaty have stalled. Russia has suspended the participation, and the treaty expires in 2026, as I've already mentioned. The experts say we are at a point where nothing may replace it. And what happens if it expires? Number one, no limits to nuclear weapons. Now, US and Russia can increase nuclear stockpiles, restart the arms race as well. Alright, and that will be very dangerous for the world. No inspections, so no transparency, more suspicion, and more miscalculations will be there. There will be the higher risk of nuclear war. Really, are we looking forward to the World War III now? And even a small mistake could escalate. World becomes less predictable and more dangerous. Now, there are multiple dimensions of this. The first dimension is the security dimension, where collapse of nuclear deterrent stability increase global security. Then we have the geopolitical dimension. US-Russia rivalry intensifies. China may also expand its nuclear arsenal, weakens global arms control regime. Then we have the diplomatic dimension. Now, in that, failure of dialogue, trust deficit between major powers. Then we have the legal and institutional dimension. Erosion of international treaties, UN disarmament efforts weakened. Now, let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this whole topic. This will be again very important for prelims. For GS paper 2, this becomes highly important. For GS paper 3, this topic becomes highly important, and for essay also this becomes highly important. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.